that looks much better. Remember how to use it. Put it on here. That. And open it up. Slide it over there. Alright, that didn't work. Let's try it again. You seeing this live. This ain't no joke. It's not opening up wide enough. I needed to go wider than that. So why is it not? Maybe I gotta put another pin on that. That's not wide enough. That's not wide either. What about this one? Well, let's try this again. That ain't right. Something wrong, y'all. Oh, it went on. Look at that. You see? On live camera, it went on. Now from there, I'm going to find my boot. Here's my grease boot that goes back under the bottom. Again, the reason I took this off because it would get destroyed if you keep it on while you're trying to install the ball joint. I learned my lesson before. So the boot goes back under the bottom, slides on like this. Make sure it's nice and snug. Makes it good from there. Okay, looks nice and snug. Then we're gonna take our pin. The pin that came with this unit is not this one, but it's another one. I believe it's straighter than this one, which I'd rather not have. I'd rather have the one that goes sideways. So we're gonna put that one in. Just screw it in. Well, maybe not. I better stick with the straight one. I think I'll stick with the straight one. Put that back in the package. We'll stick with the straight one. Let me find a socket set that's going to tighten that down, and we'll get right back with you. Okay, I found a 7.5 millimeter socket. Gonna set up there and tighten it down. Make sure it's going the right direction. Just to turn it to the right. These two pieces here, and by the time I would have disassembled my my wheel and my brake caliper, my brake pad and my rotor, my shock absorbers and my sway bar linkage, it would be very time consuming. It was easier to order this whole control arm, which came with the bushings already installed here, and the lower ball joint here. But on top,